Hello again, it's Luke Kersey with Country Chevrolet to bring you another exciting episode of our Pick of the Week. Today, we are up at our massive service and reconditioning center, which is where we process all of our quality pre-owned and new units for service, detailing, and photos. And we just pulled out this gorgeous, locally traded 2020 GMC Sierra AT4, which is now ready for sale. In this video, we will briefly cover some of the great features of this beautiful truck as one of our many quality, low mileage pre-owned vehicles. Let's check it out. First, this truck was locally traded and has just 33,000 original miles. And with the newly redesigned Sierra, you'll love its sleek lines and completely updated style with LED headlights and the signature LED running lights and integrated fog lights. Plus, the incredible multi-pro tailgate giving you tons of alternative uses to maximize your bed space and bed access. As a Sierra 1500 AT4, this truck also has some great upgrades that make it stand out even more, such as rugged side steps, color-matched grille trim, door handles and bumper, premium two-tone alloy wheels, AT4 exterior badging, red recovery hooks. This one-owner truck has a 2-inch lift kit, giving you a bit more clearance and a more aggressive look while retaining the otherwise stock appearance of the truck. And on the inside, AT4 exclusive two-tone leather seats with the embroidered headrest, the high-tech heads-up display, Bose premium sound, the large touchscreen and integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, blind zone alert, park assist, adaptive cruise control, and the list goes on. This truck has all of the best options for comfort, safety, and performance. Come down to our store today to see this truck while it lasts, or click on the link below and complete the purchase from the comfort of your home. Be sure to like this video and give us a follow on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our inventory right in your news feeds. From all of us here at Country Chevrolet, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from our family to yours. Country Chevrolet, where big city selection and savings meet small town hospitality.